Let me show you how you can use an image as the backdrop for your Google Slides presentation. So here I am in the blank slides presentation. Nothing's here. First, click Background from the menu above your slide. Now you got two options. You can fill this background with the solid color, or you can choose the image. I select the second option. Now I can simply drag and drop my image that I'm going to use as my slide backdrop. It's good to use the same aspect ratio image, so if you're using 16:9 slides, just try to find a similar aspect ratio backdrop. You can drop the image in this area, and it should be already there. I just simply click done, and my image is here. If you would like to use my backdrop, I will also drop a link to this slideshow that we are creating here today, so you can literally grab the slideshow and use my backdrops just by duplicating my slides. Alright, so how can I now put the text on it? Very simply, you can just use the text box. Alright, so use the text box, and don't forget, it's a dark backdrop, so you will need to change the text color to something bright, maybe even white like this. Alright, I prepared two more variations of this backdrop, so let's add a new slide. Right click, new slide. Again, backdrop, choose image. Done. As you can see, in this case, we already got some boxes from the theme, so we can just resize that, maybe change the color of the text in this box. Same for this box at the top, we can change the color of that, resize slightly. And if you are building a longer presentation, you're going to use multiple slides, we can even modify the theme itself, so they will kind of change this default colors, default positions for us. So how can we do that? Click View and select Theme Builder, and from here we can modify all of the default fonts and colors. So head to the first slide, click Background, and change image. Drag and drop. Done. And as you may notice, now I got this backdrop everywhere. So if I create a brand new slide, I will get this backdrop. Let's modify the default font color to white for both text and header. I can modify the size of the text box and the position of the header as well. Alright, nice. I already mentioned that I got three versions of this backdrop, so let's use different layouts here for those three versions so we can swap with them easily. So this will be the version 1. I can use this 2-column layout for my version 2. Backdrop, choose image. Done. And maybe the next thing for the last version. Alright, with that all the way, now we need to go back to our slideshow. And here we are back in the slideshow, and now if I create a new slide, take a look, it's already got this gradient dark backdrop, and the text box is repositioned and it's in white color by default. I can go to layout to search for alternative backdrop like half of the screen or just the header one without any troubles. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Keep in mind there will be a link in the description so you can grab this theme with 3 different gradient backdrops for free, and you know how to insert your own backdrops now as well. So I hope you will use this knowledge to build your own exciting themes in the future. Thank you for today, see you next time.